ZKPN Handle Kit Installation. For installation of statement or minimalist handles on 3/4 inch or 1/2 inch custom panels, a ZKPN handle kit is required. Assemble parts A, B, and C as illustrated to create the stud insert assembly. Next, drill the panel pilot holes on the panels. Measure, mark, and draw a line 1¼ inch from the handle side edge, top to bottom. Center punch to mark hole locations. Drill 1/2 inch pilot holes from the appearance side and through the entire panel thickness. Next, drill 11 32nd inch pilot holes from the appearance side and through the entire panel thickness. One 11 32nd inch pilot hole will be drilled below the 1/2 inch pilot hole on the upper panel, and the other hole will be drilled above the 1/2 inch pilot hole on the lower panel. Pilot hole measurements for a 3/4 inch standard or flush inset custom panel or a 1/2 inch flush inset custom panel are listed on Table 1 of the ZKPN installation guide. Now, route both door panels on the rear side to allow for the ZKPN assembly. For a 3/4 inch standard or flush inset custom panel, use a 1 inch router bit to route 1/4 inch deep. The routing counter bore in the rear of the decorative panel must ensure 1/2 inch material thickness remains for handle support. For a 1/2 inch flush inset custom panel, a 1/4 inch backer panel is required. Route the backer panel according to the specifications within the ZKPN guide. For handle attachment, insert the stud assembly from the non-appearance side of the panel. Place the handle caps over the insert studs on the door. Take care to support the handle so it doesn't fall and scratch the appliance finish. Make sure both handle caps are resting on the face of the door. Lock one end of the handle into position by tightening the countersunk screw with the Allen wrench provided. Do not over-tighten. Keep supporting the handle as you lock the other end of the handle into position by tightening the countersunk screw. Do not over-tighten. Finally, tighten the set screw in the handle caps using the Allen wrench provided in the handle kit. Set screw location in end cap will vary by model.